In this example, we're asked to take a given formula and solve for a indicated variable that it's not already solved for. So like in this case, this particular formula has been solved for A. You're asked to rewrite this formula so that it's solved for capital M, number of pulleys, I guess. So since capital M is in the denominator of this fraction type expression, one thing that we could do is multiply both sides of this equation by the denominator, capital M plus 2 lowercase m, like so. So by doing so, these two expressions, itself divided by itself, okay, becomes 1. In other words, we can cross those out. The A in this case, we can distribute it. That's an option. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll have capital M-A plus 2 lowercase m-a equals, and what I'm left with on the other side is 2mg. Now remember, I'm still solving for capital M. Okay, so we always have to keep in mind what our focus is. Next, let's see. I'm going to look to subtract 2ma. Now, if you were thinking, I want to divide by a first, that's not necessarily incorrect, as long as you do that to each term on both sides of the equation. Just like we talked about in class, there's more than one way to solve a problem, but sometimes there might be a more efficient way, or a way that avoids some fractions throughout the process of the problem. So in this case, by subtracting 2ma, 2ma minus 2ma becomes 0. I'm left with just capital MA on the left side. And on the right side, I'm left with 2mg minus 2ma. Those are not like terms, so I cannot combine them. One more time. I'm still looking for capital M, so I'm just going to circle that. And then to undo the times A that is beside it, I will divide both sides by A. A divided by A is 1. I don't need to write that 1, so I won't. And I have that capital M is now this expression 2mg minus 2ma all over A.